Good evening, everyone. We are Group 4. Today, we'll be discussing about the concept of service, blueprint, and their critical role in effective service design and delivery. In this session, we'll focus on the process of creating a service blueprint and how to collect and analyze the information we need.
The next slide will be discussed by Christelle.
A service blueprint is a visual diagram that maps out the steps, interactions, and processes involved in delivering a service. It highlights the customer journey, the actions of employees, and the behind-the-scenes process that support service delivery. It is a powerful tool that enables organizations to visualize and analyze their service process comprehensively. By understanding both the customer journey and the supporting actions behind the scenes, business can improve service quality, enhance customer satisfaction, and optimize operations. Through continuous refinement of service blueprints, organizations can achieve higher levels of efficiency and ensure that their service remain competitive and align with customer expectations. The purpose of this is to identify service gaps and bottlenecks, enhances customer experience by improving process, and aligns team efforts for seamless service delivery.
The next slide will be discussed by Raylene and China.
All right, so my name is Shaina, and I'll be discussing the key components. First, we have physical evidence. This is what the customer sees and feels during their experience, like the place, signs, or materials they interact with. We also have customer actions. These are the things that customers do, like steps they take or the choice they make to use the service and achieve their goal. We also have front stage actions, which are the things that employees and systems do that customers can see, like helping them using a technology to assist. And Atrialine will discuss the other key components.
I'm Rayaline and I discussed ko po yung backstage actions at support process. Backstage actions, dito po yung, these are the behind the scene activities like that supports the front stage actions such as reservation, management, inventory control, and maintenance. Dito po makikita ang pag-process cashiers. Ang cashier daw po ay magpapasa ng order sa kitchen, then mga kitchen staff, doon po makikita yung food assembler, yung mga manager monitoring, doon din po makikita. And support processes naman po, these are the internal activities na and system that enable the service delivery, including technology and infrastructure and training. Dito po makikita kapag may mga training, yung company na hindi po nakikita ni customer. Then, mga IT, mga records, POS, inventory system, mga stocks, mga supply, mga at yung HR natin with training na staff, doon din po makikita. Yun lang.
Again, good evening, everyone. Here's our presentation, the sample of blueprint of Group 4. We choose a coffee shop. So first, I'm going to tackle about the physical evidence. So physical evidence is the context of service marketing, and design refers to the tangible elements or materials that customers come into the contact with during their interaction with the service. Yung una is yung signage and logos. These signage are the visual identity of a business, like signs, logos, and branding materials, which help customers identify the service provider. So the second is the tables and chairs can be considered as physical evidence in the context of service. They are part of physical environment where a service delivered, and they contribute to the overall customer service. The next one is the menu board. So menu board is an excellent example of physical evidence in the service industry, particularly in settings like the restaurant, cafe, or fast food establishment. So the next one is the employee or staff. So, dito natin makikita yung it's a form of physical evidence because they help shape the customer's perception of the service and contribute directly to the overall service experience. And the next one is the machines can indeed be considered as physical evidence in the service industry, particularly when they are directly involved in the delivering or enhancing the customer experience. For example, dito yung coffee maker. Ayan. Tapos yung mga ice machine na makikita natin sa coffee shop. And the next one is the coffee mugs and plates and utensils. These materials are important elements of physical evidence because they are not only affect the customer's direct interaction with the service but also contribute to the overall perception of quality, professionalism, and brand identity. And the next one is the cashier, computer, ATM, credit card, and credit card terminal can be represent key physical evidence that plays a role in the service delivery process. So a service blueprint is a tool used to map out the customer experience and all the touch points involved in the delivery of a service. So the next presenter to be discussed about the customer actions, Kuya Nico.
Customer actions represent the steps of customers takes during their interaction with service. These actions are crucial for understanding the customer's journey and identifying potential pain points. It involves by arriving at coffee shop, waiting in line, placing an order, make a payment, find a good place, waiting for coffee, receiving coffee, or pick up, take a photos of the ordered copy, meeting with their clients or friends, and then stay at the coffee shop or leaving the store.
So front stage actions. Front stage actions refers to all the activities and interactions that a customer directly experience. These are the visible parts of the service process that the customer is aware of and engaged with. So think of it like a stage in a theater. The front stage is what the audience sees. So first of all, great customer. This is the initial interaction the customer has with staff. It sets the tone for the entire experience. Next, take customer's order. This involves the customer communicating what they want to purchase and the staff recording that order. Next one will be the process payment. So this is the transaction where the customer pays for their order. The next one would be prepare customer's order. So while the customer might not directly see the entire preparation process, they are aware that it is happening, and this is a crucial step that directly impacts the quality of what they receive. Next one, find customer and serve order or notify customer for their order. So this is the point where the customer receives their food. So depending on the type of establishment, this could involve a server bringing the order to their table or the customer being called in at a counter to pick it up. Next one, the clean table if needed. This action is relevant for dine-in customer and ensure a pleasant environment for them and the future customer. Thank you so much.
I will be discussing the backstage action. So let's start. Backstage action at Group 4 Coffee Shop are essential for maintaining smooth operation. Here's a breakdown of the key activities involved. Grinding coffee. This is critical step in ensuring the freshness and quality of the coffee served. Proper grinding can enhance the flavor profile, making it is an essential part of the preparation process. Stock updating. Keeping track inventory is crucial for any establishment. Regular stock updates help in managing supplies efficiently, ensuring that all ingredients and materials are available for use. This involves checking um, labels of coffee beans, pastries, and other essential items to avoid running out during busy hours. Washing dishes. Maintaining cleanliness is vital in a food service environment. Washing dishes not only helps in keeping the workspace organized but also ensuring that health and safety standards are met. This can include everything from cups and plates to larger equipment. Arranging materials. Proper organization of materials such as ingredients, utensils, and equipment facilitates a smooth workflow. An organized workspace allows staff to work more efficiently, reducing the time needed to prepare order and enhancing customer service. Machine maintenance. Regular maintenance of coffee machine and baking equipment ensure they function optimally. This prevents breakdown during peak hours and extend the lifespan of the machinery. Routine checks and cleaning are necessary to maintain high performance and quality in beverage and baked goods. Together, this backstage action contribute to a well-run coffee shop business, ensuring that customers serve a high-quality experience while maintaining a safe and efficient environment for staff. For support process establish clear training and protocols for staff to enhance communication and customer service. Store interior design create an inviting layout and reflects your brand with comfortable seating and effective lighting to encourage customer to stay. Order system. Streamline the other experience with user-friendly menu and efficient online ordering option to minimize wait times. POS system. Invest in a reliable POS system to manage payment and inventory efficiently, enabling quick sales tracking and reporting. Inventory management, regularly monitoring stock levels to prevent short monitoring stock levels to prevent shortage and reduce waste. Use alert for low stock to maintain consistent service. Barista paraphernalia. Provide high quality tools like um, espresso machine and grinders to improve beverage quality and staff efficiency. Kitchen tools and ingredients. Ensure you have a necessary kitchen equipment and fresh ingredients for offering. Organize storage to streamline preparation. Focusing on these elements can enhance operation efficiency and customer satisfaction in your cafe or coffee shop. Thank you.
Thank you so much for taking the time to listen to our presentation. We hope the service blueprint for the coffee shop inspires new ideas and improvements in creating exceptional customer experience. If you have any questions or feedback, we'd love to hear from you, and thank you again.